What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C Will, baby, back at it with another slight video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, we're gonna be installing our diffuser. All right, y'all. Ordered this diffuser sometime last week. I tried to order it, bro, from Next Gen Speed, the carbon fiber one. They was out of stock. All right, so I kept searching. Went on Vicrez.com, man. Shout out Vicrez. I'm not sponsored by them, but they got a lot of good products, man. I'm gonna put the link in the description below where y'all can get y'all's if y'all have a wide body scat pack, wide body Hellcat, Redeye, whatever y'all got. Y'all can go get it. All right, y'all. So got that thing from Vicrez, y'all. Took about 5 days to get all the way to Hawaii, so that was pretty good for me. All right, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the car beforehand, show y'all the car afterhand. I'm pretty sure y'all may or may not know how to install this. I have experience with this, did it on my old charger and all that. So but yeah, man, stay tuned for the video. Y'all new to the channel, baby, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Let's get to the video, baby. We have the Vicrez box right here, man. Great packaging on that. But yeah, let's get to the car, man. As y'all see right now, man, stock. Who does stock? Who likes stock? I don't like stock. All right, I feel like Dodge need to partner up with one of these companies, Vicrez, Next Gen Speed, somebody that make aftermarket diffusers, and just have them put it on the car already. All right, if you paying, I don't know, y'all, 50,000, 60,000, 70 plus, right? Why not have it come with the best stuff? All right, and the best stuff would be an aftermarket diffuser. All right, like I said, who do stock or who does stock? I don't do stock. All right, so as y'all see, man, this diffuser right here, bro, stock diffuser, baby. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. I noticed, I guess, on the wide bodies, like this little part right here, this little lip thing, it's a good little touch. Don't get me wrong, y'all. I'm not trying to down dodge or anything crazy like that. It's a good little touch, right? But come on, man, we over here gotta do the aftermarket thing, man. So like I said, y'all, this is great packaging, man. Shout out Vicrez.com, baby. Jeez. So yeah, I'm gonna take this thing out the package, y'all, and then I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, CEEFAM, so just unbox this thing, man. Look at this, bro. Jesus Christ. Like I said, shout out Vicrez.com, baby. In my old one, of my RT, we had to like drill the holes in. All right, these already come with the holes drilled. All right, y'all. So from the looks of things, man, it should just be, I wouldn't necessarily say a plug and play type install, but essentially, yes, it should just be a plug and play type install. All right, y'all. This plastic, y'all, it doesn't feel like no cheap plastic. Feel like it's kind of thick. I feel like the material is actually better than factory. All right, so let's flip this thing around right quick. Yes, sir. Y'all see our little pins or whatever you want to call these little things, right? Yeah, should just be easy plug and play, man. Easy plug and play. And look, for the install, y'all, y'all should just need 7mm wrench, all right, and socket. That's too easy. And also you need a little flathead, or you can just get a little, I don't know, some kind of like remover tool. Y'all gonna see. So it should be 4 7mm screws on the bottom, right? Should be 4 7mm screws, like how y'all see right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it should be a push pin on this side and also a push pin on this side, y'all. And then we gonna yank from the side, take off the old one, slap this new one on, and then that's gonna be it, baby. But I'm gonna hop under the car, show y'all exactly where they at. I just showed y'all on this, but some people visual learners, right? Some people. So so now we finna get to this little screw right here, or this little push pin. All right, some people been trying to take the pin off the complete wrong way, so I'm gonna show y'all the correct way to do it. All right, so this push pin, it has two little grooves on each end. All right, all you want to do is take your flathead or your remover tool or whatever, stick it in between the little groove. All right, there's one on each side, and then you just want to come down on it all the way down. Let's see. Oh wow, I took the whole thing off. But yeah, once that's out, this piece right here should just come out like smooth. All right, boom. So as y'all seen, man, there's grooves on both sides. See, groove and groove. All you gotta do is put your flathead right here and then pry this thing up, and then the piece should come off easy, man. I've been seeing people trying to take the piece off, like put their flathead all like under here. All right, no, you're not supposed to put the flathead under here. You're supposed to put the flathead right here. All right, and then pry it up. Boom. So I'm gonna do that on the other side, man. Then we're gonna be able to take this thing off, baby. All right, CEEFAM. So what you want to do, man? You want to grab it from this side over here, and then you just want to yank back. All right. It's okay to like apply some kind of pressure to it, cause I mean it's actually stuck in there, right? It's been stuck in there since you got it from the factory, since the person built it. All right. So just want to apply some pressure behind you. Some of that pressure. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that bit feel like it's stuck. 1, 2, 3. Ah, see that? Some pressure that thing. See that? Sheesh. So they're gonna have some rocks come out of here too. It's dirty under here, y'all. Voila. As y'all can see, y'all, we got the stock one off, baby. It took like 5 seconds. All right, so like I said, apply some pressure to it, and then yeah, stock one is off, baby. Let's get to it. So this right here is just a comparison, y'all, between, you know, we got the stock one, bro. Like I said, you know, stock one feel a little flimsy, you know, feel lighter, you know. Well, yeah, stock one definitely does feel a little lighter, y'all. A little flimsy. Dodge didn't put too much work into this whenever they did it, but thank God, you know, you can just tell, bro, from stock to aftermarket, man, the quality is just better. You can tell. Look at how this thing shine. Obviously this is older, right? But man, look at the difference before, after, right? Like I said, we still gonna have our factory holes. You know, holes look like they factory, everything look like they line up. All right, so just wanted to give y'all before and after, man. The exhaust tips, it still look like it'll fit, obviously. Yeah, well, maybe these look a little bit smaller compared to these, but I already know they're gonna fit, y'all. I'm not the first person to buy this, and I'm not gonna be the last. All right, so like I said, y'all, shout out Vicrez, or you know what, maybe now they look like they're about the same. Yeah, okay, maybe it was just the angle I was at. Yeah, this look bigger than this. But yeah, now that I'm up here, yeah, y'all, so sheesh, before and after, baby. You know what, let's get to putting this thing on, man. Just wanted to show y'all a little something right quick, man. All right, CEEFAM, so as y'all can see, man, we do have the aftermarket one. So all you really want to do, man, is just match up these grooves with these holes. All right, so first off, man, we're gonna line it up a little bit, you know, just to see which one goes where. All right, so now that I know, or I can see which groove go to the holes, I'm gonna just start lining it up now. Make sure that, you know, boom, boom, start lining it up. So once you actually line it up, y'all, you can like start to apply some kind of pressure. All right, so now that I have this one right here lined up, I can, all right, so I have this one in, this one is in, this one is in. Keep lining them up. All right, CEEFAM, so as y'all can see, man, this thing looks a whole lot better, bro. The fitment on it is good. You don't really see too much of a gap or anything right here, right? Everything looks nice and flush. I'm pleased with it, y'all. But what we do need next is some bigger diffuser tips or whatever, exhaust tips. I tried to get some from Carvin, but I guess they backed up. But as y'all can see, man, I think the rear of the car looks 10 times better now. Like, facts. Like, this thing look a whole lot better for sure. Sheesh. Bring y'all over here just to see it, man. But yeah, bro, so as y'all know, we just gotta put these screws in that's under here, try to keep everything together. Just put these 2 in, 1, 2, and then these 4, and then we should be good to go, CEEFAM. So I'm gonna get going on that right quick, and yeah. right, see fam, so as y'all can see, bro, we got everything lined up. We got that one right there, got another right there, another right there, sheesh, another right there, another right there, and our last one is right there. You know, excuse the kids, they back there playing, bro. But yeah, look, the factory holes and everything did line up. All right, see fam, so as y'all can see, bro, this thing just looks crazy, y'all. I'm telling you, man, this thing looks too good, bro. I'm definitely impressed with the fitment, with the quality. As y'all seen, bro, the fitment, everything is like based on factory. You know, shout out Vicrez.com. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by them, but if I get a good product, man, I'm gonna definitely let my CEEFAM know where to go get it at. So yes, y'all can go get y'all's at Vicrez.com, baby. Damn, this, man, this like the first step, y'all. Like well, I say the second step. All right, first step was doing the trunk wrap. All right, second step, getting the diffuser. All right, y'all, look, I really try to listen to y'all. All right, man, I try my best to listen to my CEEFAM. Y'all said, look, see, well, diffuser and wicker bill. All right, so I already ordered the wicker bill, man. It's coming from King Wraps, KNGWRAPS. All right, so it's coming from King Wraps. Their stuff is like 9 to 14 days shipping. All right, so I ordered mine like a week ago, y'all, so it should ship, you know, hopefully either this weekend or Monday or Tuesday, and we're gonna have that. All right, y'all, so diffuser, y'all wanted the diffuser, boom, we got the diffuser, baby. Y'all want the wicker bill coming. All right, I still gotta order my tail light tint. I've been holding off on that, I don't know why, but I need to order that, y'all. But like I said, y'all, we gonna work from the back of the car to the front. All right, so yeah, man, I'm definitely pleased with the product, y'all. I'm gonna leave y'all right quick with a cold start, baby. You know we gotta turn up out this bit, man. Red key or no key, man. What y'all talking about? Red key or no key. Bump, bump. Psych. Let's get busy, man. A little something, something. Man, this thing beautiful, bro. Beautiful. All right, CEEFAM, so look, man, that will conclude today's video, baby. Look, I'm trying to get back into, you know, my own installs, man. I know y'all would rather, you know, a YouTuber that's do it on your own type installs, man. So from my recent videos, y'all can go back and check it out, man. From the Challenger to the Charger to the Z01, right? I'm big on doing my own installs. All right, I'm big on that. So we just getting back into it. We getting back into it, man. But look, I appreciate all y'all for stopping into the video, man. Y'all new to the channel, baby, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Look, we almost at 6K. Almost at 6K, y'all. So look, share this video, tell your friend, hey, look, see, Will got a Redeye. You know what I'm saying? Hey, tell them all about it, man. Look, we humble over here and we growing. All right, y'all. So look, I'll holler at y'all in the next video, baby.